Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to stop automatic redirects in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is open up the Mozilla Firefox web browser. However you normally would want to open it up is fine. And up in the URL bar at the top you want to delete whatever URL is currently in there, and you want to type in about preferences, exactly as it appears on my screen. So again, about preferences, no spaces at all in between any of these. And we hit enter on your keyboard. Once you're on this page, you want to select privacy and security on the left side, and then scroll down on this page to where it says underneath security, deceptive content and dangerous software protection. Check mark inside the box next to block dangerous and deceptive content. Once you check marked inside of there, you should be good to go. Just close out of here, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.